Finish. Change question. Take question number third. Answer in one sentence. Answer in one sentence. Take first. 1 ohm is equal to dash. 1 ohm is equal to dash. Right answer 1 volt upon 1 ampere. Write in words, 1 volt upon 1 ampere. Keep your videos on, boys. Keep your videos on. Keep your videos on. Come on fast. अपने वीडियोस ऑन करो and sit properly. Sit properly. And don't talk with your parents. Piyush Moite, on your video. Piyush Moite. Six. Come on now, take second question. After 1 ohm is equal to, now take 1 ampere is equal to dash. 1 A, capital A. 1 capital A. Capital A is equal to dash. Right answer. Write the answer. 1 coulomb upon 1 second. 1 C upon 1 S. 1 C upon 1 S. 1 C upon 1 S. Like a quiz. Come on, next now. Second question. Define potential. Define potential. Now take one more. State Ohm's law. State Ohm's law. Abhishek Patil. Just now is Abhishek Patil or Aditya Patil? आता जॉईन झालेला. State Ohm's law. Taken. Okay now. Change the question now. Come in topic 4. Come in topic 4. see some. First of all, fill in the blanks. Take first one. Topic number 4 now. Topic number 4. Fill in the blanks. Take first one. Keep your videos on, compulsory. Keep your videos on. First write down the unit Dalton is used to express dash. The unit Dalton is used to express dash. I will read the options, you can tell the answer. All of you ready? First option atomic mass, second atomic radius, third atomic number, and fourth mass number. What will be the answer? Atomic
radius.
Check it once more. Dalton unit is for radius. Check your answer. It must be atomic mass. Confirm it. Number 2. A mole of any substance stands for dash molecule. A mole of any substance stands for dash molecules. I'll read the figure, see. 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. 6.0 mole of substance stands for dash molecule. Mole of substance stands for dash molecule. अपने वीडियोस ऑन करा. पीयूष मोहिते, why your video is off? पीयूष मोहिते, अरे gone away. Remaining boys, you also.
Yes, sir.
Sit properly. Sitting anyhow, see, just like they are enjoying there. Piyush, come in light. Why you are in darkness?
Sir, light is not there.
Okay, let it be. Can you comfortable now? Are you comfortable?
Yes.
Can you keep your videos on? Any problem, no?
No.
Okay, now see. Same question, see. A mole of any substance stands for dash molecule. I will read the option, see. 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. Second, 6.022 into 20 raised to 22. Number third, 60.22 into 20 raised to 23. And number 4, 60.22 into 20 raised to 22. Tell me the 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. That will be your answer. Okay? You note down your questions, sir? Second, see. The mass of an atom is concentrated in its dash. Mass of an atom is concentrated in its dash. Option C, nucleus, electrons, protons, and number 4, extranuclear part. Very good. Answer is nucleus. Answer is nucleus. Next, see, dash is a bicarbonate radical. Dash is a bicarbonate radical. I will read the options. HCO3, HCO3. Number B is only CO3. Then HCO2, HCO square in bracket, full bracket 3, or HO32, bicarbonate. Answer will be HCO3. HCO at the top minus and at the base 3. Write properly. Capital H, capital C, capital O. On the top O minus at the base 3. HCO3. H capital, C capital, O capital. Written. O3 written. At the top write O minus there. Clear? Next now. Dash gram of water makes 1 mole of water. Dash gram of water makes 1 mole of water. Option C 32, 33, 16, 18. 32, 33, 16, 18. How much gram means 1 mole of water? Calculate once more. Atomic number, atomic mass. Hydrogen kiti? 1. Oxygen 16. Then 2 plus 16. 18. Why are you saying 32? It is 18. Okay. Answer will be 18. Very good. Now next. Now some questions without option. We turn towards the first one. Compound are formed by chemical combination of dash. Compounds are formed by chemical combination of dash. Oh, very good. Not on your answer. Elements. Compounds are formed by chemical combination of dash. Compounds are formed by chemical combination of dash. Next now, all of you ready now? The proportion by weight of hydrogen and oxygen in water is dash. The proportion by weight of hydrogen and oxygen in water is dash. One ratio must be 1:8. Very good. 1:8. Correct. Ratio 1:8. Okay. Very good. 1:8. Second, see, one more ratio, similar question. Proportion by weight of carbon and oxygen in carbon dioxide. 3:, very good, similar, 3:8, same one. Number 8. Second now, the size of an atom is determined by its dash. Size of an atom is determined by its dash. Very good, radius. Same question now, atomic radius is expressed in dash. Atomic radius is expressed in dash. Tell the unit. Atomic radius expressed in dash. Unit, I want unit. Meter, centimeter, nanometer. nm, nanometer. Nanometer. You can write in words, huh? Nanometer. nanometer. meters. Nanometers. Now this question has been. Now simple question. The total number of protons and neutrons in atomic nucleus is called dash. Total number of protons and neutrons in the atomic nucleus is dash. हा कोणाला पालेकर. Wait. Wait. Some are joining now. What to do? एक minute, 1 minute. After they are saying they are present, now I am forgetting to tick mark them. That's why. See, yes, Mane, always late, huh? Always late. He want to disturb me always. Yes, no? Yes. Okay. The total number of protons and neutrons in the atomic nucleus is dash. Answer will be atomic mass number. Atomic mass number. Atomic mass number. Second now, the relative mass of hydrogen atom is dash. Relative mass of hydrogen atom is dash. 1. 1 micron is equal. 1 micron is equal to dash kilogram. 1 U. 1 micron. 1 U is equal to dash kilogram. Tell me the figure. Take it figure 1.6605. 1.660 into 10 raised to 32 into 10 raised to minus 27 into 10 raised to minus 27. 1.660 into 10 raised to minus 27. 1.660 into 10 raised to minus 27 kilogram unit. Whatever just we have seen one question in the options also, we will repeat it. You can tell me the answer. The Avogadro's number is denoted by the symbol dash. Avogadro's number tell me the figure of Avogadro's number. 6.022 into 10 raised to minus, very good, 10 raised to minus 23. Now next, the number of molecules in the given quantity of substance is determined by its dash. Number of molecules in a given quantity of a substance is determined by its dash. Atomic mass or molecular mass? Atomic mass or molecular mass? Molecular mass, correct. Now one definition. The capacity of an element to combine is called its dash. The capacity of an element to combine is called its dash. Yes, Ashkan. What is the definition of valency? What is the definition of valency? Same, no? Write your answer, valency. Your answer will be valency. Now simple one. Sodium chloride is an dash compound. Sodium chloride is an dash compound. No. Go in the point ionic compounds. Give the example of ionic compounds. Sodium chloride can separate ions, no? Sodium chloride can separate ions. That's why sodium chloride can be called as ionic compound. Sodium chloride will be called as ionic compound.
Compound.
Now, change the question. Take true, false. First one, molecular state of oxygen is monoatomic. Molecular state of oxygen is monoatomic. True or false? Oxygen is diatomic or monoatomic? Mono means one, di means two. Mono means one and di means diatomic. Yes, it is false. It is false, first one.
False.
Yes, answer will be false. Number second, and ionic radicals are basic radicals. Hey, who is talking in middle? And ionic radicals are basic radicals. True or false?
True.
Hey, it is false.
True. False.
Huh? It is false. Yes.
False.
Next now. The magnitude of charge of any radical. See, the magnitude of a charge of any radical is its valency. Is its valency.
True.
Tell me definition of valency now. If your answer is true, what will be definition of valency?
False.
And false. एक वेळ ट्रू म्हणायचं नंतर आन्सर चुकलं की false. It is false. Okay. You can't repeat the definition. Yes? You can't repeat it. Okay, second. The proper, it is already given. The valency of sodium is 2. The valency of sodium is 2.
False.
Huh?
True.
Confirm it. One is saying true, one is saying false. That means one answer is correct, you know it. One answer is correct, you know it. Huh? False. Sodium ची valency किती मग?
False.
What is the valence of sodium?
True. False.
You will get 0 then. You will get 0. Half answer true, half answer false. You will get 0. Okay. Okay. Change the question now. Change the question. Hey,
Yes, माने.
let it be. Talk with her afterwards. Second question, name the following. Second question, name the following. First now, you need to express atomic radius. You need to express.
True.
Arey, name the following.
Nanometer.
What you are saying, the true or false? It is finished now. It is okay.
Amay.
Okay. Next now.